afternoon to my new family, Belize. And I'm very excited to be here today. And of course, I'm very excited to be the first ever brand ambassador of my new family, Belize. Thank you so much for having me on board. And I'm very happy and very excited to be the face of the brand. Kaya naman, hindi lang si Billy yung makikita nila sa app. Ngayon, kaming dalawa na po yung makikita nila sa app.
Yes, we're also present and live on Facebook.
Hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood online. You can download Billy's app now. Alam mo, as a shopper, sobrang excited talaga ako nung nalaman ko ang tungkol sa Billy's. Kasi you can shop anytime and anywhere. Kasi as long as you may QRPH, pwede ka nang bumili doon without worrying ng kung paano mo siya babayaran. Kasi you can pay in installments and anytime you want.
0% interest rate din.
Yes, pwede na sila magbayad ng bills doon using the Belize app. So lahat talaga hindi na sila mamumblema magbayad.
So how do you feel naman na you were chosen to be like the first ever brand ambassador ng Belize?
Sobrang na-excite talaga ako kasi very now and very updated yung app na to. Lalo na for everyone na parang nasa smartphone na talaga lahat. And parang mag-shopping, to pay bills, or kahit mag-send ka ng money to your loved ones, yung ganun. So parang lahat na nasa loob ng Belize. And mabilis lang din mag-avail ng app kasi parang kailangan mo lang mag-download ng app and kailangan mo lang mag-present ng isang government ID. Wala nang kahit na anong cheche-boreche, go na. Yun na yun. Mabilis sa Belize.
Well, that's good for having so much here. So do you have any messages sa ating family right now, especially those sa mga users and also sa mga magiging users pala?
Yes, for them to worry sa mga payments, mga ganyan. Now, tanggalin na nila yung worry nila dahil you can pay with ease with Belize.
Wow! Thank you so much. We're really actually honored to have you here with us, especially now with your newest family, the Belize family. Kaya naman right now, we will be calling on as well sina Sir Garrett Go, Mr. Kurt Molina, and Mr. Jose Fernandez because we will be having our Q&A session with Kim Chu. Ayan.
Ito pala mga YouTube logan.
Hello! Ayan. So yung mga fans natin.
Akala ko committee.
Ayan. So we will be setting up here. Ayan, dito tayo. Miss Kim. Okay. So sa ating mga media partners, yeah, Mr. Jose Fernandez, and also Mr. Kurt Molina, and Mr. Garrett Go. You may take a seat. So number one would be, what made you decide to partner with Belize?
What made me decide, as I've said kanina nga, this is very now, parang ito talaga yung kailangan na app ng karamihan ng mga Pilipino. And I also believe in the saying na parang you have to enjoy the present and enjoy the now. Don't worry about the past or the future. Enjoy mo on what makes you happy. Kaya naman with Belize, parang kung gusto ko mag-shopping, kung gusto ko bumili ng ganito pero wala pa akong budget, Belize can help me with that. Yeah, I can pay sa split installments or something, and I can also pay the bills ngayon na without any delay with Belize.
Yes, enjoy the present.
Yes, enjoy now.
Enjoy now. Ngayon kanina na-mention natin yung about Belize being mabilis. So, mabilis lang ba talaga mag-Belize?
Yes, ako nung dinownload ko to, sobrang mabilis talaga. Literally mabilis talaga. Nung pag-download ko, ano ba mga kailangan? Kailangan ba ng mga maraming identification ng mga government ID or something? Isa lang yung sinend kong ID, and then pag-login ko ng mga information about myself, so okay na kaagad. Nabigyan na kaagad ako ng credit and all. So, yun.
And then you were able to use it already afterwards?
Yes, oo. Tinry ko talaga magbayad ng kuryente dito at tubig. Oo naman, oo. Amazing! Like, click, 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 finish.
Very convenient, di ba?
Very convenient, lalo na sa mga taong busy, katulad ko,
Yes.
ganyan. And karamihan sa atin, of course.
Exactly. Ngayon naman, di ba, nakita natin ito, buy what you love, pay later with ease. So, kung ikaw ba magpipiliin, buy what you love with ease or buy what you love with stress?
Sino naman ang may gusto ng stress? Lahat naman gusto maging happy. Buy what you love with ease. Siyempre with Belize yan.
Yes, buy what you love with ease. There you go. May naman, sino sa ating media partners right now? Meron questions. The floor is open. And we will be providing you the microphones. Okay, see you, ma'am, in pink. Yes. Anyone from the team who can hand over the microphone?
Para sa natapos lang natin yung isang endorsement mo, ito na naman, may bago ka na namang endorsement.
Ganun po talaga. Mabilis. Mabilis po natin na mga ano.
Oo. So ito, as you've said, parang don't worry about the past. Don't you? Okay. Statement.
Sa bayaran po ito ah.
Hindi mo yan.
Mabilis, hindi mo na babayaran.
Please, questions that are related to our video.
Kasi sabi mo kasi don't worry about the past. So, have you encountered something na your previous, ano ba tawag dito, payment platform or apps na na-scam ka or nahirapan ka for you to shift sa Belize?
Ako kasi sobrang busy na rin ang schedule ko and also my sister na nandito ngayon. Busy din siya magbayad ng mga bills namin. Pero with Belize, doon na lang kami nagbabayad talaga and nagsising. Minsan napuputulan kasi ako ng line kasi hindi kami nakakapagbayad. So parang at least ako, eto gagawin ko na siya.
Yung mga headline niya
Kaya nga sa sobrang kabisihan namin, dalawa ng ate ko. So, ang daming ginagawa. Sabi ko, sis, nawalan ako ng signal. Bakit gano'n? Sabi niya, ay, nakalimutan ko na magbayad. Kasi old school kasi yung ate ko. So, ngayon, meron ng app sa smartphone mo, dun ka na pwede magbayad ng lahat. So, very easy and very mabilis.
So automatic na yon, monthly. Hindi ka na kailangan i-remind.
Wala na, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa bank o ganyan. So, with Belize, lahat pwede lang to.
And sabi mo rin, Kim, ikaw mismo yung nagbabayad ng Meralco bills, ng tubig nyo. Okay. Bakit ikaw pa rin talaga lahat?
Ay, ako naman ang nag-prepare ng cheque. Meron naman ako, eto sis, upo ka dito. Pariwanan ka. Hindi siya po, ang dami na pong busy din po siya, ang dami din po siya ginagawa. Pero, slowly, natututunan na namin ng online payment.
At alam ko, Kim, mahilig ka mag-shopping ng bags, di ba?
Yes, super.
So, bilis na rin ba gagamitin mo ngayon sa mag-shopping?
Of course! Tapos pwede pang mas-split into installments yung bayad. So parang hindi masyado mabigat sa bulsa.
Talaga ba? Nagumutang din ba ang game show? Parang hindi naman kami naniniwala. No?
Siyempre! Para balance ang life.
Pero yung maximum nila is tama ba? 150 lang. 150,000.
Yes, that's correct po. So with the limit boost, you can get up to 150,000 pesos. And then for some of our merchants, 0% interest, so you don't have to pay. So even if you pay it in installments, you won't have to pay more. And then yung sa bills payment po, so as long as magbayad kayo ng right before your next payday, wala pong fees and interest. So and then if kailangan nyo ng more time and then you want to pay it in installments over a few months, then we charge a little bit of interest, but we have the lowest rate in the market and we make sure na we keep rates at an affordable level.
Hindi ba siya, sir, parang credit card na kung good payer ka, tumataas ang credit limit mo? Kasi for sure, si Kim kulang to pambili ng kanyang mga bags.
That's correct po. So the longer, habang mas matagal na kayo na sa amin, your credit limit increases. So pag nagpapakita kayo ng good payment behavior, it's a sign for us na you can handle a bigger credit limit and then tumataas po yung limit na.
And pwede din ba siya, sir, na gamitin internationally? Is it available internationally?
Right now, not yet, but we do have plans na to also expand in the future, but not right now. Wala.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Kim.
Alright, and now, ladies and gentlemen, I Any questions? We will be entertaining one more question to our Chief Finance Officer and also Head of Marketing. To Mr. Garrett Go, Mr. Kurt Molina, and Mr. Jose Fernandez. Yes, ma'am?
Hi, this is Keisha Taasan from the Philippine Star. Sir Garrett, can you discuss your profitability in 2023? How many loans were you able to disperse using the app? And what are your targets for this year? May target number of users ba for this year or target number of loans that you can disclose? Thank you.
Yeah. So in 2023, we've been quite profitable. So and ever since naman, but 2023 was a good year for us. We have onboarded 500,000 customers in 2023, and this year we're looking to grow 2 times that, so at least 1 million customers. Yeah, and with the help of Kim, I'm sure we can easily achieve that.
Just a follow-up to that. Sorry, you're from Business Group. Just a follow-up to that. You already reached the 1 million customers you said earlier. Maybe you have a target for this year.
Sorry, this year we wanted to add another 1 million customers. Yeah.
And then, I also just want to follow up on the previous question on your loan portfolio. How much do you want to grow this year? What level is it at currently?
Right now, our loan portfolio is around around 4 billion pesos. We're looking to grow that by around 50% this year.
I'm also curious as to how your repayment levels are.
Repayment levels. Yeah, I think we have one of the best, I would say, collections among the players in the industry. So collections have been good. That's also why we have been profitable last year and even the years before.
Thank you so much to all our media partners. That's all the time we have for our questions. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed with the official signing of Kim Chu's contract as our first ever brand ambassador.